Hey everyone, in today's 1-minute video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to peel hard-boiled eggs. Let's get into it. First, add your eggs to a pot. Then put water in the pot and make sure there's 1 inch of water above the eggs. Turn on your stove to high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, once you have a decent boil, you're going to want to turn off your stove and place a lid over and let them cook. Now, if you like your yolks less cooked, do 4 to 6 minutes. If you like your yolks more cooked, do 6 to 8. I'm going to do 8. Okay, 8 minutes is up. You're going to want to remove your lid and transfer the eggs to an ice bath and let them sit for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, take your eggs and a butter knife and just lightly go over the egg and hit it, making cracks on the top, bottom, just everywhere on the egg, and then put it back in the ice bath for 15 minutes. Okay, it has been 15 minutes. Let's start peeling. As you can see, the shell just comes right off, almost in one whole swoop. So this was a little family hack my father taught me a long time ago. By hitting it with a butter knife, it allows water to seep in there and separate the egg white from the shell. Hope you found this 1-minute how-to tutorial informative. If you did, please give it a like. See you in the next video.